If you are tired of AI assistants that lecture you, hand out safe corporate answers, or just hallucinate nonsense, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, we are going to take a single rough idea and use Grok to build it into a fully polished, professional digital asset. To follow along, open grok.x.ai in your browser or tap the Grok icon right inside the X app. While most people treat AI as a basic search engine, the real utility lies in stacking these specific project-building tools to create complex finished work. Most people start by typing 3 words into the interface, expecting magic, and they get a useless bulleted list in return. We fix this by establishing a persona. Instead of asking for a generic plan, we tell Grok, act as a ruthless travel consultant. I am planning a 3-day trip to Tokyo on an $800 budget. Give me the smartest itinerary possible. Grok actually has a personality, so it immediately adapts to that specific role, giving you a dense, highly structured schedule filled with the attitude and details of a real expert. This split-screen diagram illustrates the gap. On the left is the weak robot prompt. On the right, look at the output we get just by assigning a human-like context. The intelligence of the system scales directly with the context you provide. Setting a well-defined persona is the required foundation for every step that follows. An itinerary fails if it relies on old training data. We need to anchor our project in what is happening right now. We command Grok to scan the X platform for the absolute latest trends, news, or local drama in Tokyo, so we know exactly the F of your flight booking, or an Excel spreadsheet of your budget. Grok reads the data directly from your uploaded spreadsheet and instantly rewrites the live Tokyo itinerary to match your personal financial constraints. Combining your static personal documents with live web context creates a dynamic, accurate asset that standard offline AIs cannot replicate. With the text and data locked in, our master project file requires custom visual assets. We test the rendering engine by explicitly prompting Grok with a highly specific constraint. Generate a cyberpunk cat riding a motorcycle, and we place that subject right here on Mars. Grok renders these bizarre concepts with incredible speed and high fidelity. You can also upload a real photograph of yourself and command the system to edit it into a specific aesthetic, dropping you straight into a sci-fi movie scene. Keeping your structural logic and your creative visual generation inside one unified chat thread eliminates friction. The AI maintains the context for both simultaneously. This logic tree maps out prompt chaining. Never accept the first draft the AI hands you. Following this path down, we zero in on a specific section and tell the AI, now take day 2 and make it 10 times more detailed. When you hit a complex obstacle, use the think harder trick. Explicitly command Grok to take your time and think step by step to force out maximum intelligence. Because you are working within the same chat, Grok remembers the entire history. You do not need to restate your travel persona or re-upload your spreadsheet. Do not get frustrated if Grok pauses to ask you for clarification. Embrace the pushback and feed it the exact details it requests. Treating the AI as an ongoing, iterative dialogue rather than a single search engine query is what allows the system to solve truly complex problems. We took a blank screen and built a perfectly merged project file, driven by a strict persona, live data, and custom visuals. We generated this fully fleshed out, master-level deliverable in under 5 minutes. Because the XAI model updates continuously, these foundational skills will automatically yield even stronger results over time, without any extra effort on your end. Drop into the comments right now and tell me the absolute craziest thing you have successfully asked Grok to do. Using these sequential stacking techniques allows you to move directly from a concept to a final deliverable without leaving the interface. Hit subscribe, comment part 2, and I will see you in the next one.